my dear Bicol University family, good evening. These past few days, I have been deeply touched by your overwhelming support and commitment to make the celebration of our 50th founding anniversary truly a memorable event. I may not always show it, but behind my silence lies a deep sense of gratitude and thanksgiving that I belong to a community of humane scholars willing to go the extra mile, keeping each other's back, and supporting one another in every endeavor. Like a true family, we may have our differences, but at the end of each day, when our institutional culture and identity is at stake, we always manage to come together to bring out the best in each of us. This makes me truly proud to be a BUNU. Our sense of unity and the feeling it generates that we are a bonded family has allowed us to grow over the past 5 decades. By the grace of God and with our abiding faith in our vision, we have built a legacy. We have transformed lives. Tonight is a clear testament to how Bicol University has built a legacy and transformed lives through the gift of persons that we are recognizing today. To all the Bicol University personnel who will be conferred awards on this occasion of all occasions, my heartfelt congratulations. You are the reason why Bicol University has reached its golden year. As much as I would have wanted to personally thank you for the great gift of your person and service to Bicol University, I am once again called to attend the budget hearing at the Senate. Though my heart and mind longs to be physically present tonight, but duty calls, and I am truly sorry for missing this event at such time when we are celebrating our 50th founding anniversary. But know that as your president, I have all of you in my thoughts and prayers. Like I said, I may not show it, but please know that I see and appreciate all of your efforts and contribution to Bicol University. And my prayer would always be that as one family in Bicol University, God may grant us more years of togetherness as we continue our journey of building more legacies and transforming more lives. Thank you for a job well done.